Hey guys, this is Alex. Just a quick video about what I've been building recently, a quick update. I haven't published videos recently on YouTube. It was really busy time for me. I'm still working on a new project. And in this video, I just want to share of my journey, what I was building for the past half year and what are the results of all of this. So first, I started building my own products back in December, I think. So the first one was Redirect Cleanup WordPress plugin that I found an issue that Yoast was creating in for existing redirects in their premium version. So I found how to fix it. I had a client actually who had this real issue, and he said that he could not find any solution on the market. So I decided to create one. I created it. It took about a month to make it really optimized for performance. I submitted it in WordPress repo. And after that, I got no users, no installs, probably like few only. I did not put any efforts too much into marketing, and yeah, so I decided like to abandon this plugin at the end. But surprisingly, it generated 2 sales so far. Recently, I got another sale. So I'm using Freemius for my payment integration, and here's the gross. I made around $100 in this plugin so far. Overall, yes, this plugin solves specific issue, but I don't know how to scale it. I don't know what features do I need to add, and I know that it solves this specific problem. So that's it. Around 1 month of work, $100 of revenue. Then the next one I started to build around in January, and this one is Strakture, and this is probably the biggest one when all this AI hype started with Cloud Opus and all of this. And WordPress started to talk a lot about AI, how AI is important to integrate in your website, and all these AI builders started to pop up, all these new plugins, new products. So I decided I had this unique idea that if you can get existing WordPress patterns and just customize them with AI prompts. So I started building it. I got really excited at first because when I posted my initial idea on social media, people told me that this is a game changer. It's really amazing. So I got this inspiration, motivation. I started to building it. It took me around one and a half months, I think, to finish plugin, to make it solid enough. I submitted it in the org, and I still continue to work on it, fix some bugs, but the initial version was completed. Then I found that it needs a companion theme, so I started working on a theme and started to work on a patterns and landing pages and demos. So let me just show you what it is. It's basically a demo, initial demo for this product. Then I started to work on these patterns to make it really like polished and good, and I started to change the landing page and then add demos, and I added like a commerce demo and minimal blog later. And when all this went live, I posted in social media and everywhere, and I got 0 sales, 0 customers in the end. I thought that I should fix the positioning a little bit, so I started to modify the landing page messages. I created a video here for landing page using, forgot already what was this tool, but it's popular. You build it with React. Basically, you build it with Claude or any other agent. So I created this video. I put it on the landing page. I started to post on X, on LinkedIn. And in the end, I got nothing. I got, in WordPress repo, I got 80+ installation of the plugin. And for a theme, also the same, 80+ installations. And the difference is also that if you publish your plugin in WordPress repository, it's much harder to market and to show it to potential users, because it doesn't show, there is no way that user can discover a new release plugins. But for themes, it's a little bit better, because once the theme is released, it will appear here in the latest tab. So you have more potential that your theme would be discovered. So that was my idea, is to use theme as a marketing channel for a plugin, and theme works perfectly with the plugin, and plugin works perfectly with the theme. So when user install theme, they need to install plugin. When they install plugin, they need to install theme. So I thought it's a nice bundle. It will add value. I priced it all at 16. Initially, it was 99 a year. Then I lowered the price 69. And doesn't matter, even if I lower the price, still no one bought it. And eventually, I got a single sale from a friend that I know. So just she simply wanted to test it out, so she purchased it. So I got one sale. So and this, in total amount of time, this product took almost 3 months to create and one sale. So that's really devastating. And I got a little bit demotivated, depressed because of this. So I spent so much time, so much effort building this product, and then I got nothing. Then somewhere in January also, I think January, I started also another experiment to build a premium WooCommerce theme for WooCommerce Marketplace. And I built it also probably around 1 month, including starting from design, so design and full coding, implementation, and landing page materials and the presentation materials. Took around 1 month. And this product so far is the most successful that I built. So it's so far it's generated around $500. The reason is because it's listed on official WooCommerce Marketplace. It's on the front page. And even though they have limited traffic here, it's still visible. People can still discover. It's a unique niche. It's for a green power products like solar panels, and then EV and wind turbines and smart homes like this. So so far I got the best return of my time invested into the product. This product generated the most revenue so far. And it's been 6 months, and I want to see what it will be in 1 year. If I can at least return my time invested, because in 1 month I approximately spent approximately $1,000+ just to create the product like this, because I have bills, I need to pay electricity and all of that. So I still did not even return the money for this product, but so far it was the most successful. And then after that, since I was a little bit demotivated because of this Strakture, I decided that this WooCommerce theme worked, so I can create another WooCommerce theme in a different niche. So I created Kutchara. It's another theme, different niche, focused on a decor, inventory, and kitchenware, cookware. So a different niche, different style, but I borrow similar elements, similar UI things. Like, so it was built on top of Green Power Store. And since I had all the workflows, all the AI workflows set up, I have multiple skills for generating patterns and generating copy and generating images. So this product took me around 2 weeks in total. Again, from the beginning, from scratch, starting from design, took me around 2 weeks to create. And it's almost approved on WooCommerce repository, WooCommerce Marketplace, but they are still reviewing it, but its initial stage is already approved. So I'm just waiting for a green light from them. And hopefully we'll see, I cannot measure the impact of this, the result, but I hope that this would be easier for me to return in terms of time spent. First of all, because this product is I priced it a little bit higher. So I want to test this idea because my previous product was priced at $59. So WooCommerce Marketplace takes 30% fee on that. So my net is much less than this, less 30%. But for this Kutchara theme, I decided to price it higher at $79 because it has a little bit more functionality. It has some additional pages, filters, mega menus, and it has also second homepage with more sections. So I decided to price it higher. And since I spent less time on this, around 2 weeks, and then it's priced higher, so it would be probably easier and faster for me to return. I don't know, we will see. I'm still not sure about that. So I finished it around in 2 weeks, and then after like a short break time, I jumped into I decided to pivot a little bit. I decided to try another platform, which is Shopify. And I heard some stories about Shopify, that some people are making money there. They're building apps and themes for their marketplace. But I also don't have any prior experience with Shopify. So I started to dig into this using AI and LLMs, and then over the time, it took me currently more than a month that I'm building the same theme, Kutchara, for Shopify platform. And I'm reusing the same design, but I cannot reuse the same WooCommerce CSS and all of this because Shopify is completely different. They have completely different foundation. They're using liquid language. They're using APIs. The dashboard, the theme customization is completely different. So it was really, really difficult. So currently this is the most complicated and complex product that I'm building. And I don't know also the results so far. So basically it's just an experiment. And I also heard the stories that it's very hard to get approved in Shopify marketplace. So I'm trying to polish it and trying to make it really good and trying to add all the features required by Shopify, like filters and then styling of each element and all these components, like buy it now and then pair it well with, and then good looking sections and product pages with multiple templates. So I'm trying to make it as a decent looking and decent working theme, and currently it has like a lot of features that doesn't have in my WooCommerce version. So I don't know what this experiment will end, but currently I spend also around more than 1 month, I think, or around 1 month building this product. And the difference is that Shopify themes are priced higher. Overall, they are priced between $200 and sometimes up to $400, $500 for a theme. So one sale can give you much more money, of course, much more revenue and profit. And then Shopify takes less commission fees, but it's also much more competitive, much harder to get into this marketplace. So I don't know how it will end. We'll see. So currently it's just an experiment, and I want to also try to experiment with something outside of WooCommerce platform. And since I building and specialize in e-commerce stores, like using WooCommerce, so I thought that Shopify is a perfect fit for that. So don't know where this journey will end. So this is just a work in progress, and just want to share it with you guys. And then regarding some jobs or my jobs as a developer or designer, I actually received one offer from a big company, but Unfortunately, I failed the interview because of some weird questions there. I was not prepared, and at that time I was overwhelmed with building these products. So I treat it as a experience, as a lesson. I'm not regretting it. It was totally worth it. I did not spend too much time on this, just a few days. And after I failed it, after I understand what are my errors, mistakes, I try to polish these skills, and I think that I need to work on my interviewing skills, talking, answering questions and stuff like this. Because as you know, like in when you're trying to get a job, your technical skills probably matter a little bit less. What matters is how you talk, how you communicate. So I need to work a lot on that. My skills are really weak in this area. So that was my experience. So based on all of this, what is my conclusion is that sometimes you spend too much time, a lot of time on some products and they don't work. Sometimes you spend less time for something and it works. There is no way to test it. The only way is that you can test it is by building and putting it out there. So my advice to you is just create something, ship it, try to make it fast, try not to focus too much on the product. And probably if you don't see any traction of the product, if you see that this product don't have any potential, so probably don't waste too much time on it. If you know where your audience hanging, if you know how to nail marketing part, and you see some initial traction, you see some initial sales, that is the perfect thing. That's when you can focus on the product and try to scale it and try to focus more on marketing. But don't focus too much on building, because this time, because of LLMs, everyone can build, everyone can create any kind of ideas. So just try to iterate as fast as possible and see what sticks and what doesn't work. And for me, it was that one product only generated something decent, and then the others are completely failed. And I can build something like a table, like a graph that measuring the time invested and how much I spent, and then the return. And it would be very obvious that which is the winner and which product failed a lot. So that was a quick recap of this video. It was just my journey. I'm just trying to share it with you. Just let me know in the comments if you have some similar experience building something that doesn't work. What are your thoughts on this? What are you building? What are you trying to build? Which tools are you trying to learn? I've been using Codex and Cloud Code recently a lot, so I'm just juggling between these two models. I'm not sure if I should film videos about this. Just let me know in the comment, guys, what you want to know more, like a personal story or building the products or something about AI and LLMs. Honestly, I don't want to make some technical tutorials too much, just want to share more of personal story and building in public. So I decided that this channel probably would be about this. This channel, I want to put more videos about some successes and failures and how I'm trying to get through all of this. So that's it for it video. Hope you have a great day and see you around. Bye.